Hi, today we have the BenQ ScreenBar Plus, which is designed to reduce eye strain. Now, this is the first item that's ever been sent to me by a company, so I'm pretty excited to do this review. It will be an honest review though, and I won't hold back if I find anything wrong with it. Now, I've had a different monitor lamp by BenQ for a while now, and it's worked well, but it's time to see if this will be a good replacement for it. For today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing, set it up, and then do the review. So, let's get started. Okay, let's get this thing open first. Inside, there are three main parts: the clamp, the controller, and the main component, the light. The clamp is pretty heavy and should be able to fit on most monitors. It's spring-loaded and acts as a counterweight, so it should keep the screen bar in place. The control unit has a nice aluminum brush finish, but one thing that I did notice is that it's wired and not remote, so a little bit of a downside there. Lastly, the bar is this beautiful aluminum alloy with a glass panel underneath. It feels sturdy and definitely a high-quality build. Okay, let's set this thing up. Now that it's all set up, let me show you what it looks like. What I like about the screen bar is how intuitive it is to use. You tap it to turn it on and can control the brightness by turning the knob. You click on this button on the right to switch between brightness and temperature. Turning the knob changes it from a warm yellow to more of a bright white. Now, the coolest button is this one on the left. It will automatically set the brightness for you based on how bright the room is at the time, using the sensor at the 12 o'clock position. Here it is with the super bright light shown onto it, and here it is without. Now, the screen bar looks great and has about 20 degrees of rotation, so you can adjust where it shines on your desk. It's great for if you need to see your keys or if you're reading a book. One other thing to note is that there's no glare or reflection off the screen, so there's no interference with the work that you're doing. Overall, the screen bar works great. It's easy to set up, intuitive, looks fantastic, and is definitely a contender to the BenQ monitor light. The only downside is that the controller is wired, and unfortunately, my desk already has a bunch of wires, so it just adds a bit to the clutter. Not a huge deal, but it's still there. You can buy the ScreenBar Plus off BenQ's website or off Amazon. Links are in the description below. It is a bit pricey at $129 and definitely a bit more expensive than some other options like the BenQ monitor lamp, but the build quality is top notch and it looks amazing. Let me know in the comments down below if you like a video comparing the BenQ and BenQ lights in the future. Other than that, that's all for today, folks. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you for the next video.